Welcome back to Morning Sun Homestead. Today we're going to make a strawberry delight treat. First thing you're going to do is get your strawberries, which we have here, and we need to wash them, then remove the green tops. First thing you want to do is wash your strawberries off really good, just to make sure you get any loose dirt off. Or any insects that happen to get into them. This snack that we are making, it is actually very easy to make. There's not a whole lot of steps in the process, and you can actually make it on the weekend, and you'd have it for your kids if you homeschool or just kids are home in the summertime. It's a really healthy snack, and you don't have to worry about all the chemicals and biotics. Now we have the strawberries washed. First thing we want to do is pull the green stems off, and then we need to cut them from 1/4 to a 1/2 inch thick. That's the thickness we're looking for the strawberries. This recipe calls for 200 degrees in the oven. I suggest you use the middle rack of your oven. We're just using the oven because our dehydrator is full of other things that we're working on right now. So that's why we decided to use the oven. So we're going to preset it to 200 degrees. As you can see, the ladies are spreading out the strawberries on a prepared cookie sheet with parchment paper so it does not stick. And then as soon as they get it loaded up here, we'll pop it in the oven for 2 hours, and then you turn them over and do another 2 hours. So the whole process in the oven usually to take is about 4 hours, depending on how your oven works. As you can see, we got our tray loaded. We're going to slide it here on the middle rack with 200 degrees. And we're going to check them periodically up to the 2 hour mark to flip them over. So it's been about 2 hours. We're going to check the strawberries, see how they look. We need to take them out this time and flip them over, and then put them back in for another 2 hours. We have found that they're easier to flip over by hand, just because some of them got a little small. The kids didn't cut them exactly 1/4 to 1/2 inch. So the strawberry delights are done. As you can see, they dried good. I know you could use a dehydrator the same, but like I said, ours is tied up, and a lot of people don't have a dehydrator. That's why we done it in the oven. So the finished product is very good. I think it's better than Twizzlers. Hope you enjoy and try this for your family.